The president of the Association of African Private Universities AAPU, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gorzo, has congratulated Professor Abdurrashid Garba on his appointment as the pioneer vice-chancellor of Khalifa Isiaka Rabi University, Kano. Professor Gorzo delivered a congratulatory message through the Association of Secretary General Professor Abubakar Sadiq Haruna when he paid a courtesy visit to the university on Wednesday, the 23rd of August 2023. Professor Gorzo, who described the appointment of Professor Garba as a well-deserved appointment in view of his wealth of experience in the academia, expressed optimism that the appointee would undoubtedly guide the university to the path of excellence. Speaking on the mandates of AAPU, Professor Gorzo said the association is committed to raising the quality of higher education in Africa while making education accessible and affordable to all the sundry. He said AAPU was established to promote networking and experience sharing in teaching and learning among member institutions, in addition to fashioning out a common vision for African higher education. Professor Gorzo is also the founder of Maryam Abacha American Universities of Nigeria and Niger, spoke at length on the opportunities with member institutions stand to benefit, such as obtaining research grants and funding. With its secretariat based in Kano State, Nigeria, and liaison office in Maradi, Niger Republic, Professor Gorzo said AAPU also has branches in different countries across the region. Responding, Professor Garba expressed appreciation for the visit, describing it as a singular honor shown to him in person and the university as a whole. He revealed that Cairo will start academic activities with 18 programs across 13 departments and 4 faculties. Professor Garba, who expressed satisfaction with the mandates of AAPU, said the university was already to partner with the association as soon as all prerequisites are completed. While reiterating commitment to collaborate with MAAUN for academic and research development, Professor Garba noted that the partnership will go a long way in creating and nurturing high-quality links with other organizations across the globe. Earlier in his remark, the Director of Communications AAPU Engineer Bashir Garba lauded the university's readiness to providing quality education by putting in place the state-of-the-art facilities. He also thanked the management of Cairo for the warm reception accorded to the team and wished the new VC a successful tenure.